Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, still live streaming. Live, of course, because it's live streaming every night on Twitch, because that's where I am. It's where I'm spending most of my time, because that's where the community lives. It's so much fun over there. If you've not joined, you should, because every night I'm geeking out about one thing or another, and every so often I talk about technology, too, because that's a topic that comes up during the normal course of a broadcast when the community chat wants to talk about something that I might be interested in talking about. Tonight I'm going to be showcasing the thing that just arrived, the thing that I ordered, this thing inside this thing, the box, the device inside the box, the thing inside the thing that I'm rattling around. Those aren't the rocks you're hearing in my head. No, it's the rocks in the box. And what's inside, I'm not going to say rocks, because I don't know yet. It's the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'll be upgrading, switching, if you will, from the S21 Ultra. I've been living in Samsung's mobile experiences for the greater part of a year, and I gotta tell you, it's probably the best that I've experienced in mobile devices, and I'm talking about experience, like overarching, not just hardware, but software. Software specifically. The software is not what the software used to be. Like years ago, if you knew the old Samsung, this is not the old Samsung. Like, I wouldn't be using it if it was the old Samsung. This is the new Samsung, not just the brand new Samsung. I'm just saying, like, the game has changed. If you're looking for a good software experience on mobile, and you've not looked at what Samsung has to offer, it's, in my humble opinion, been the best for me. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, because I use this, oh, it's not there. It's down here. The Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus, the Tab. I need a backspace there and put Tab before the S7 Plus. Man, there's so many device names to keep track of just from one company. I can't do this. So I can, however, take this out of the box, because I did promise an unboxing. And, you know, I am the type of person who upgrades his phone every year. I'm sending the old devices in, because I don't hold on to old devices. They're not as collectible as, say, the things that I'm 3D printing now. If you can't hear the 3D printer whirring in the background, it could be this new mic that I'm using. This is a new Vader that I printed, this Vader figurine. Beautiful. That was a gift from a user known as Boil and Pop. We showcased it last night live on Twitch. Here it is. Whoa. Almost dropped it. We would have had a drop test there. This is it. You've probably seen it a million times, because let's face it, you've got a feed full of all the latest stuff, and there's nothing new that I'm going to tell you that you haven't heard from other people, apart from my experience. So I'm going to be using this in conjunction with a case that I got, not the one that they kind of gave me. They gave me like a ton of in-store credits, so I ended up dropping that. The rest of the box, there's nothing interesting in the box apart from the phone. But this effectively was a free upgrade. This is a 45-watt power adapter, so I'm going to be using that for, if not this, then I'm sure other devices. This was basically free too, the S-View flip cover. Not sure I'm going to use this over the flip cover that, I'm sorry, the non-flip cover that I got that I swear I brought up here. Did I not? Okay, well, I guess you can see it live later on Twitch. This also was free, the super fast wireless charger Duo. I also wear the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is charging right now, because you have to recharge those things constantly. Devices. If only we had unlimited battery life. We don't. That's okay. I also got this. It was a part of the bundle, the book cover keyboard for the Galaxy Tab. And I'm telling you, I use this tablet more than I ever used the iPad, more than I ever used all the iPads combined. And I had the iPads going all the way back to the first iPads, but I use this thing constantly, including during the live streams. It feeds the NDI camera that I use to broadcast what happens to be printing at the time when we're streaming live. So I'm very much looking forward to using this, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, as soon as I get it set up. And that's going to take a fair amount of time, because I still have other work to do. I'm just squeezing this in to let you know that I have now officially unboxed this. Oh, you want me to unbox the other one? Okay. Can't really tell, because I'm recording this live to tape, not necessarily streaming it live on Twitch, because that's my preferred method. I'm a streamer. The kind of content creator I like being, because I like the interactivity. I like living that way live. Remember when I did the 24/7 live stream? Not so much anymore, because I have a life outside of everything that you think you know about me. Wow, this feels thin. This is definitely big. Holy cow. Okay, hang on. I knew this was going to be bigger, but this is definitely big. I'm just gonna hold it up side by side, or one on top of the other, really. Not so much side by side, but look at that. It's so big. It is bigger. But I need that. I needed something with far more screen real estate because I use Samsung DeX, and that's one of the reasons why I like using the tablet in my particular set of circumstances, because Samsung DeX really sets it apart from everything else, including the iPad. I know everyone's clamoring for the iPad to do better with software. I kept waiting, and I'm still waiting, but right now Samsung has what I need, and they're offering what I need, and I'm using what they have, specifically Samsung DeX. That's pretty much my exclusive mode on the tab, and if you've not looked at it, you're missing out, especially if you've only used one platform and one device, then I know you're missing out. But as someone who looks at a lot of them, even though I don't talk about all of them, it's a big deal. Oh, and another thing, yeah, it even comes with a pen. I'm sorry, S Pen, the S Pen, the tablet does. And this device also does as well, the S21 Ultra, although I'm not sure how much I'm going to use this, because I haven't used a stylus since the days of, like, Windows Mobile, like, eons ago. So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to remember to use the stylus, even with all the fancy features that it has to offer. I mean, this to me is the stylus that I have to use. So anyway, going to be showcasing these and talking about my experiences further with Samsung's ecosystem on my own volition, right? And if you want to know why I chose this over something else, feel free to ask over there on Twitch. You can comment on YouTube if you want. I'm probably not going to see it, admittedly, on YouTube. If you really want me to see you and to pay attention to what you're saying, and you really want to get to know me and I can get to know you, you got to head over to Twitch. I keep saying that over and over and over again, but it's true. It's like the days of live.pirillo.com, but better and so much more fun and so much more dynamic, because I'm not going to see your comments here. Sorry, but I'll see them over there. Okay, so there you go. That is the, oh, wait. Here's the case that I got. Yeah, sorry about that. I had it outside the box. Well, anyway, I will see you tonight